I'm on. Hello, hello, hello. Happy New Year. Rhonda White here, LovelyLooks.co. And it is a special edition of Reveal. And it is Super Tip Tuesday, so don't miss out. And I'm going to send those invites out. So here we go. Stay with me. I have some super things for you to see. Okay. So here we go. Hey, Elizabeth, I got some super neat things to do. You know, I love doing some DIYs, so I want you to see all the new stuff that's going on. Super fun stuff. Okay, hold on. Get those invites out to you, all of you. And my phone gets a little wobbly, so hang in there. Okay. Here we go. Gets a little bit wobbly. Hold on. And we're doing this here. Oops. And we lost it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Hey, Susanna. So, yay, Happy New Year. Yes, I did do something different with my hair. It is kind of a blue, it's still that sapphire with tanzanite, but you know, as soon as you wash, it rinses out and causes everything else to turn a little tinted. So instead of having that blonde or that white look, it's kind of that tinted carried through. So anyway, now, wasn't here to talk about the hair, but there is something I want to show you because I was redoing the boutique and I want to share it with you. I'm going to give you some super tips on DIY, do it yourself. I'm going to show you what I actually did and what I got to redo the boutique, okay? So this is the fun stuff. Now, I went ahead and I had that, remember in the past, if you've been following me for a while, I had the table that was my vanity. So it used to, in the old day, it used to be a computer desk table, right? It was like an L-shaped table, and I only used the one part of that table. And then it was that regular brown color that you would normally buy. And I had spray painted it, okay? So that was my husband's table for a long time when he used it. Well, I took off the little tray table for the computer part, and I spray painted it white with that kind of that pewter silver color on top. It was really pretty and worked really well. But then as time went on, I'm like, I was not able to find the right vanity, okay? And so I wanted a mirror, I wanted a light, but then I also wanted some storage, and I needed storage with drawers. Now, upstairs in my bathroom, I have a vanity, but the lighting's not very good, and it doesn't have enough storage, and I wanted a larger space. So I might have enough storage for hair dryers and stuff at the vanity, but not for makeup as well. So I'm going to show you what I got today. So you're actually on the selfie stick tripod, so I'm going to pick you up and take you with me as we move, okay? So, there's many things I have to show you, so stick with me. Okay, so here we go, and I'm going to see if I can turn you around here. Here we go. We're going to turn you around. Here it is. So you see this? This right here is the vanity. If you could see that, give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a happy face, give me a smile. So here it is. Now here you see 3 drawers, and on the other side, 3 drawers. Okay, awesome, because you need that storage capability. Okay, so there's the thing. I want you to know that when you have one of these vanities, the intention is that you're going to put it against a wall. That would be the back side, okay? Not free floating the way I have it. When you open this vanity up, you see this? It has a little light. 1, 2, 3. So LED light already inset into the vanity, and it lights up beautifully, okay? It has the little hookups so that you can hook something up because it already comes with these sides. They slide open. They slide open. Check this out. They slide open to store more stuff right here. Okay, comes with the little tray. It is this nice little velvet cover here for your jewelry. And this side also slides open. And it has the plugs here. Yeah, look at this. And the USB ports. Okay, so how awesome is that? So you could go ahead and plug something in, like we were talking about when we talked about making this little light. Remember this? Ta-da! Remember that little doohickey? Nice little pretty light we made for the holidays. Okay, so that's what we have here. But I'm going to show you all the other things we did with the boutique. Okay, so not only this. So we have this, and as you can see, these are just some of my favorite items that I use all the time. It's my go-to. Okay, oh, there we go. Here we are. It's my go-to colors that I like to use daily of things that are mine. Now, why do I have so many lipsticks? One, I'm one of those people that I don't like to share lipsticks. I use my own personal lipstick. I don't share. I like my nice, clean, and only me. Okay? So I like to have almost one of every color, and I have some duplicates. So we're going to turn this light off, and I'm going to show you some more things about this vanity that are absolutely a must-see. Okay, so I'm going to turn you around. So a must-see, okay? So here we go. So as I was saying, you know and I know when you have a desk, the back side was intentionally shown where it has a hole or something so you could put the electronics through it, okay? Well, if you're putting the electronics through it, okay, and it was made for the back side, I'm going to show you. I'm going to flip the camera again, okay? So you can see this. Here we go. I'm going to set you up. Here it goes. Okay, you see this? This right here. This is the back side. This is the back side of the vanity. So this was meant to be on the wall, right? Okay, so it has the hole so you could put the cords through it, but you don't want anybody to see this, okay? So here's the DIY part of this. Okay, I'm going to turn you around one more time. Okay, here we go. Okay, so part of that DIY part is I took a piece of cardboard, okay? Then I took whatever color, whatever sequins, whatever you want on the front of this in wallpaper, whatever kind of paper you want. You're going to adhere it to the cardboard. Now, the cardboard needs to be, let me scoot you back. The cardboard needs to be cut out to the exact dimensions to fit into this inlet, okay? So now, instead of just wallpapering or coloring or painting this and having this hole, which you can see, there's the hole for the electronics, instead of having that facing everybody, we're gonna cover it up with this, okay? So, just gonna pop this in because we already pre-measured everything. Now, I did not, at this time, you can use double-sided tape if you want to secure this. Right now, I left it this way. Hey, Jennifer, good to see you. Thank you. I left it this way so I could show you what I did, okay? So anyway, now with this being like this, it's easy to change. Should you decide you want a different color, you want a different print, maybe you want to just change it up, it's easy to change at this point, okay? Super easy. Okay, so hey Cammie, good to see you. I gotta say hi to everyone. And there's some other people here. We got a long list of Susanna, Elizabeth. Good to see all of you, Jennifer. So anyway, hey Laura. So here's the thing. If you're interested in one of the, and I'm not done showing you everything on our boutique because there's more. But if you're interested in getting one of these, or check this out because there's more stuff that you're gonna want to see. Okay, so come with me. You ready for this? Okay, so I'm gonna set you down here. Now, besides the vanity, here we go. Besides the vanity, there's this. Now, how great is it to have all your products easy at your access, whether it's just for yourself or as like what I'm doing when I have a client over to do some custom makeovers or to do a consult, right? It's nice to have those products easily available to you within reach. Okay, so drawers become really great. Having displays are totally wonderful, but check this out. It does both at the same time, and it's beautiful. Simplistic and beautiful. Okay, here we go. See this? this wall organizer right here, vertical, okay, with the shelving right here. I'm gonna show you. And now it goes all the way down toward the floor. You see that? So it's a good 6 feet tall, okay? So I want you to know that. So I'm gonna come back so you can see this in the room. So here is the vanity. It's facing this direction. We have this right here for all our upcoming Uology line of skincare. Yes, it is going to house the Uology line of skincare products that you don't want to miss. So you need to be in the know. You have to follow me and watch what's coming, okay? So all of this is going to house that. Easy access for clients, for myself, for viewing. Perfect, perfect, okay? So there we go. Now, when I was redoing the boutique, I decided to redo the wall. And if you took a peek when I first started this segment, you'll notice what's on the wall behind me, and I'm going to show you it right now. So we're going to flip this. Ta-da! Okay, I'm going to scoot back because I want you to see this. Okay, you see that? Now, what's on the wall over here? We have uplift, empower, and validate. Of course. What else am I going to have up there, right? Okay, Laura, Jennifer, Cammie. But these right here are the decals, wall decals, okay? Just like, remember the selfie one? It's a wall decal. So these are wall decals, and wall decals you can get and do them yourself. You can order them in whatever you want them to say. A lot of times people get them for the babies' rooms or kids' rooms with their names. Anyway, wall decals, easy to get. You can even order them custom made on Amazon, okay? So check that out. Now, artwork available in all kinds of locations. So pick your favorite location, take a look. You can mix and match any way you want. I like to mix and match different types of artwork. Glass pieces, framed glass, framed, unframed, canvas, whatever it is, wood, mix them up and get different textures to create a different look, okay? So these artworks are a variety of things that I've collected over a period of time. They might have been from Target, they may have been from Amazon, and they may have been from Hobby Lobby or somewhere else like that. So take a look and see what's around your house. Take a look and see what is out there in the store because they're always changing, okay? So that's the wall, the new wall. And of course, we still have our previous wall, right? And of course we have, oh, look at the unique one I had made over there. Yep, we still have that. So this is it, okay? And Kevly, if you notice, has her own little beauty station where she does her hair. She has her own brushes. And that's another project. As soon as spring comes, I'm gonna be working on that to make it just perfect for Kevly. We're gonna be doing something with that right there. So I'm gonna be working on that this spring, okay? So don't forget, there's, oh, that's that right there, that holds all my props. And what do I mean by props? That's my unique swag center right there. Okay, so it's my go-to. But there you go. You really have to check this out. And if you want any information on any of these products, ask Laura. All you have to do is comment below and say, Laura, I need to know how to get this. Okay, how to get these items, and she can hook you up. Just go ask Laura, because she's here, right here. Laura. Hi, Laura. Say hi, Laura. Laura, say hi. Okay? So anyway, she's right here in the thread. So let her know. And until later, everybody, hey, there you are. Until later, yes, I know, and I'm going blue, okay? Until we meet again tomorrow with more information about everything that's happening, woohoo, this month, because more information's coming. I've got the new website out. It's, ooh, fancy. You're going to love it. So click on to www.LovelyLooks.co.com and check it out. And please message me with your questions. Happy to answer for you. Okay. Bye, everyone. Happy New Year.